making headlines here in the United States. From the East Coast now to the U.S. Gulf Coast, a rare winter storm is going all across the United States. The storm broke snowfall records more than a century old in southern regions of the United States. Florida beaches were covered in stone, and New Orleans, a city more often targeted by tropical hurricanes, was slammed with at least 7 inches of snow. Here's a report.
Up north, and I was actually born in Buffalo, New York. That gets, feet and feet worth of snow, more than this, but it's actually really fun having it here because it's kind of a throwback to my childhood and college days.
So we definitely weren't expecting snow. We were expecting quite muggy, humid temperatures. Even though the temperature gauge said that it was going to be pretty cold, we still thought that the humidity would overrule the temperature gauge. So we certainly weren't expecting this. So we weren't really prepared for it. So luckily the shop was still open so I could grab a jacket in time.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.